Hey guys, what's up? Just got finished with an important email that I'd like you to read, okay? I sent this out to the MDE mailing list. If you're not on it, click the link in the description and you'll be taken to a special page that only I have access to. Only I've been given access to this page. Okay, check it out. Check the link in the description. Hit the like button.
Do it one more time.
Hit the like button. And basically check out the email, okay guys? Here's a video you're not gonna see anywhere else.
Get over here! Just fix this thing up real quick.
Yeah.
Show him his boss.
Some kid is gonna be, when he sees his free bicycle, is gonna lose his mind. When they get a load of this free bicycle, it's gonna make some kid's day. Damn, that's good glass. Damn, this glass is good. They should make car glass out of this. What? Are you kidding? That's crazy. This is like super glass.
Wait, let's open this up and so you can see more fully.
All right. Are you serious? Oh!
Just shine it up. Make it nice and shiny.